If you're a freelancer or agency owner, then this particular tool is kick ass because you can create $1,000,000 proposals just by putting in few prompts. The tool is called as Tome.app, and this is generative storytelling at its best. Here you can just simply put in certain prompts and it will create the entire slides of the presentation with the content, and of course you can improvise a lot on top of it. But here it's super awesome. It can generate videos for you, it can generate animations for you, and I'm just going to show you one quick example. So you can go to create over here on top once you're inside, and let me tell you, it's absolutely free at this moment. So you can write create a proposal on Facebook ads services and you just hit enter. It starts creating the slides you need and introduction to Facebook ad services and so on. There are pages after pages that is being created, and you can just tweak a little bit. You can add your pricing, you can add your benefits and all of that over here. It's pretty awesome. It's free. Try it out and make sure you save it and you share it with somebody who you think might find it helpful. Follow me for more.